Hi, this is Holly with Up and Out Adventures, and today we are going to make a swap. What is a swap? It is an acronym throughout Girl Scouts for something with a pen. And you get them by trading with other girls. Swaps are so much fun. So this one is a really fun little daisy flower, okay? In the daisy colors. And this one could be for anything. A camporee that daisies go to, just a fun flower. It can change colors, do whatever you want with the different colors of construction paper and fluff balls. You can use it with the fun daisy flower garden journey. Or in this case, I've written on the very back of it, Daisy Bridging 2021. So lots of different things you can do with a swap like this. So here's how we make it. I've got construction paper here with a cutout flower. You can either freehand cut it out, get a template on the internet, or I just got this really fun paper cutter from Michael's for about $17. Fluff balls, Google eyes, a pen to write whatever the event is and the date, and you're really gonna wanna use glue dots for this. So I have a glue dot that I stuck to the back of my fluff ball here, and then I use scissors and I cut a glue dot into 4 pieces and put 1/4 on 2 different Google eyes. That's going to make it a whole lot easier to all stick together. And of course you're going to need a pin to attach to the back just like this. So let's get started. Take the construction paper, write whatever the event is on the back, making sure to leave a space for your pen. On the front side of your paper, going to take the paper off of the glue dot. Super sticky. And stick it right in the middle of the paper. And just like that, and it's immediately dry. That's the fun of glue dots. So now we have this little glue dot guy. I'll do the same thing with the eyes. Just a little Google dot, glue dot on the Google eye. And then this one to the back. That's all there is to it. Super simple, fun project that even the youngest of Scouts can do. And so you can find all of the supplies at Walmart and Target and Michael's and wherever you buy your craft supplies. Or you can also buy complete kits of everything you need with the glue dots already stuck to the back of the pieces by going to upandoutadventures.com and going to kits. So have fun making your little daisy flower swaps, and we'll see you in the next video.